What I have here with me is the best angle grinder that Bosch has to offer. This is really the flagship of the new X-Lock two-piece changing system, allowing you to change any angle grinder accessory in just one click. Now, this is an 18-volt machine, but under the hood, it's got one of Bosch's BITURBO brushless motors. Now, what that means is when powered by one of Bosch's new ProCORE 8 amp hour or 12 amp hour batteries, it'll deliver the power of a 1500 watt corded angle grinder. That's some proper gear right there. Now, this tool isn't just about power. No, it's very intelligent with a variable speed option from 3400 RPM up to 9800. Its X brake brings the blade to a halt incredibly quickly after release cutting. Furthermore, there's kickback control, so the motor will automatically sense when it's going to jump back at you, cuts it out. Now back to the motor, of course, brushless, so no maintenance, higher efficiency, and that's maintained by these lovely mesh filters on the side, so you're not going to get any swarf or cuttings or anything up into the motor to damage it. Now, up on the top, we've got the LED control panel. This user interface allows you to configure both speed ratings as well as connect it to your Bluetooth device, which will allow you to monitor everything about this tool. Pretty smart stuff. It's also got a vibration resistant handle to keep you going for longer. The grip, I must say, it's much slimmer than most angle grinders, so you can get a really nice firm hand around it. On top of that, you've also got rubber, and this is really allowing you to get that extra friction. It's not going anywhere. Ultimately, what we've got here is a well-engineered, solid, precision-built, intelligent and powerful piece of kit. It is up for any job you could throw at it. Now, this all comes within Bosch's classic L-Box case, which will interface nicely with the rest of your Bosch accessories. Check it out at tooledup.com.